Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can speed up audio in Premiere Pro without changing its pitch. So firstly, open up your Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I already have an audio file into my timeline. So let me show you what it is. So this is basically a simple test recording for this video. So as you can see, it's a normal audio file. Now just simply right click on that, then select speed and duration. Then let's make this sped up till, let's say, 200%. And now if I play this again, you can see my voice have become more squeakier. Now let's see how you can fix that. So the first method is just again go to speed duration and check maintain audio pitch, then press OK. And then if we hear this again, so this is basically a simple test recording for this video. You can see my audio have become more muffled. So the other method is just simply again right click, go to speed and duration and uncheck the maintain audio pitch. Then click on the audio track, then go to effects. And if you don't have the effects panel, just simply go to Windows and choose the effects panel from there. Moving on, in the effects panel, simply search for pitch shifter. You will find a pitch shifter over here. Just simply drag and drop onto your audio. And then simply click on the individual parameters drop down box. Then again click on the drop down box of the ratio, and over there you will find a slider. Now simply decrease the slider until the squeakiness is gone.
So this is basically a simple test recording for this video.
So it's still a bit squeaky. So just simply drag down the slider a bit more.
So this is basically a simple test recording for this video. So this is basically a simple test recording for this video. So this is basically a simple test recording for this video.
So as you can see now, it is much more clear and better, and the pitch is also not squeaky. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.